Easy ABS Repair is a liquid ABS resin designed to easily repair all ABS plastic. Even the most severely damaged plastic can be repaired at a fraction of the cost of new parts. There is no mixing or adding of hardeners or catalysts. The resin air cures in about 24 hours. This video demonstrates a repair on a Thule car top carrier. Begin the repair by fitting the damaged pieces back together and taping them into place with masking tape. Do not try and put resin into the cracks, as this will distort the shape. If you are missing pieces, you can use the supplied ABS sheets in the kit to make new pieces and tape them into place. From the inside, remove all paint, dirt, and grease. I recommend using a Dremel tool as shown here, but you can use a file or sandpaper. The area 1/4 inch on each side of the crack should be cleaned down to the raw plastic. Apply the resin directly from the bottle. There is no mixing or adding of catalysts or hardeners. These types of two-part repairs do not expand, contract, or flex like the rest of the plastic you are repairing, and they will eventually crack and fall out. In addition, when you go to sand the repair, they are so much harder than the ABS plastic, they will stay high and the softer plastic will sand out and be lower. ABS repair makes a perfect permanent repair. Let the resin air cure for 24 hours. Then go back to the front side. Remove the tape. At this point, your carrier is back to being structurally sound. You can end the repair here and live with the surface cracks. If you wish to fill the cracks to finish the repair, V-groove the cracks with a Dremel or file. You want to be between 50 and 75% of the way into the plastic. Apply resin directly from the bottle to the cracks. Fill them slightly above the level of the plastic. Do not overfill the cracks, as you'll have to sand the resin flat with the surrounding area. Allow 24-hour cure time for the resin. Sand the area until the cracks are flush and smooth with the surrounding surface. You can start with 120 grit sandpaper, changing to 220 grit once you are closer to being flush. If you're using a power sander, go slow and stop often to allow the surface to cool down. Applying tape around the area you are sanding will reduce the sanded area. We will not be painting this repair, so we want to minimize the affected area. Once you have sanded the area, you may use a spot putty to fill any pinholes or minor imperfections. Larger uneven areas or irregularities can be filled with the resin. Do not use any fiberglass fillers, as they will not stay bonded. To find suggested spot putties, check the tips and links page on our website, www.easyabsrepair.com. This Thule carrier is painted metallic black and would need to be painted by a professional to keep the same look. Instead of painting, I took the carrier to a local sign shop and had a flame pattern cut out of vinyl and applied over the repair. The vinyl was black and the effect was very subtle and made a good-looking repair. The cost of this repair was about $5 worth of Easy ABS Repair resin and $25 for the vinyl graphic, for a total of $30. It took 3 hours spread over 3 days to complete.